earlier this week, I was working with a client on email organizing, and she's using an older platform. And so what was happening is that her email was hitting the capacity limits. It was only a couple gigabytes. So then her email then stops getting new emails, so we have to delete them. But then in order to completely delete them and get the storage space, you have to empty the trash folder, and you can only scroll through the emails so far and delete them at sections at a time. So all that to say is that sometimes your email provider may not be helping you in your organization at all. So it may be hindering the process of organizing, and it may be a good idea to look into a more mainstream email provider, although some people don't like mainstream, but they update their platforms, their interfaces, and give you more storage sometimes. So maybe worth looking into if it's going to help with your organization of your email. So check it out. Outlook's always a good one, Microsoft Office 365, Gmail, Yahoo is even still up there. So one of those would be good, and hopefully then you can be more organized in your email. So it's easier to delete, easier to purge, easier to do everything in there instead of dreading going to it and knowing that it's not gonna perform like how you would like it to. All right, I will see you next time.